I am Mr. J. This is our advanced video. We're talking about the war between Israel and Iran. It's Tuesday, June the 17th, 2025. The location, just like the war, Israel and Iran. It's definitely B for bad news. Right? You can tell right from our AI picture there. All right, our word list. Okay, scary word list. War, airstrikes, missile, military, nuclear, dangerous, weapons, retaliate, sorry, I got a frog in my throat. Retaliated, that's like 5 here. Let me show you again. Retaliated, okay. Drones, government, airports, injured, evacuate directly, and capital. Scary words. Israel and Iran are now at war. It began when Israel launched airstrikes on Iran's missile bases, military buildings, and nuclear labs. Israel says it wants to stop Iran from making dangerous weapons, so that's why it said it attacked. Iran retaliated with over 100 drones and missiles. Some hit buildings in Tel Aviv and other cities. Israel answered by bombing more government sites and airports. Over 200 people have died in Iran and at least 24 in Israel. Many are injured, and people are leaving cities like Tehran to stay safe. Foreign governments have asked both sides to stop. U.S. President Trump told people in Iran's capital to evacuate, but Israel says it will continue. This is the first time the two countries are fighting directly. Before, they used secret attacks or proxies. Now the world is watching and hoping for peace. Okay, let's go down. Why did Israel launch airstrikes on Iran? How did Iran retaliate? Sorry. What did Trump tell people in Iran's capital to do? What kind of building did Israel bomb in Iran? And what word describes how Israel and Iran are now fighting? Okay, they were never friendly exactly, but what word describes how they're fighting now? All right, today's game word match. Okay, and then we have non-game match, right? Why am I showing shoes and a dress? Well, let's see. A game meaning match. A game, competition, or contest between players or teams. Non-game meaning match. Two things that are the same or go well together, right? My shoes match my dress, right? And hopefully your shoes match each other too. All right, here's the spelling match and pronunciation. Match. It's just one syllable. The soccer match ended in a tie after an exciting game, and her shoes were a perfect match for her dress, just like her AI picture. All right, weather for Wednesday, it's tomorrow. Mexico City, Mexico, high of 24, low of 13, and it will be mostly sunny. Jakarta, Indonesia, afternoon thunderstorms are likely with a high of 30 and a low of 24. For Hanoi, Vietnam, a high of 32, a low of 26, and there will be heavy rain in the afternoon. So that's our weather. We talked about match and the unfortunate war. Guys, I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.